Saladin Muhammad, live in the state of North Carolina. One of the strong issues in our community is environmental racism. I live in a state where there's 10 million industrial hogs that produce meat for the pork industry. In one county of about 45,000 people, there's 2 million hogs concentrated there. This has polluted the groundwater, the air, lowered the property values of the home, driven a lot of people out, so it affects the voting population as well. Schools sometimes don't have recess because the stench is so strong. And so this is clearly a human rights violation in a number of regards.